Former Congressman Danilo Suarez is hoping the Sandigan Bayan will extend the 4-day Christmas furlough for former President Arroyo to New Year. Today, the incumbent Solon from Pampanga is now back in La Vista, Quezon City with her family to spend the Christmas holidays. Suarez also appealed to the court to grant Mrs. Arroyo her petition for bail so she can avail of the medical attention she needs to cope with her ailment. Suarez is an ally of the former president.
We would like to thank the court for this Christmas gift. Although we feel na sana mahaba-haba ng konti. Ang pakiusap sa administrasyon at saka sa korte ay alam naman natin na life-threatening yung sakit ng dating Pangulo. Ay siguro hindi naman siya security risk. Wala na nang magagawang bagay yan na pwedeng makagawa ng gulo dito sa bansa. Kaya nang gamutin ng tamang doktor. Sapagkat tuloy-tuloy din ang pagpayat.